Need to see each other again and again and again. You know, you're making me miss you so much. And anyway, friends and classmates, welcome to Cora's birthday celebration. Also welcome to the celebrations of all the September birthdays. And also, the most important thing, and we have planned this for many months, it was supposed to be a surprise. But somebody did me in. I wonder who. You know, it was supposed to be a surprise for Anne to recognize her many achievements. But it isn't a surprise anymore. But anyway, I told Anne when we talk in the States, act surprise. Okay? But anyway, she's here. She's as beautiful as ever. And she's as smart as ever. And also, somebody will be probably telling you all this, but just one sentence. Our 17-year-old celebrant, Cora, is still the muse.
25,
right? Is still the muse of CHS 62. So, let's say hooray! She's still the muse. And I think we have two celebrants in our September. Yes, Rudy the Batu. Oh, Batu. And our mystery singer. Who is he? Mystery singer. Sino kaya yun? Ayun, for the good time. Ayun, nagka-camera. So, yung dalawang September celebrant natin natin. Pero, yung birthday ko, di ba may mga pinag-usapan tayo? I am so proud of the group. Wala akong narinig na negative. Kaya wala tayong papaalisin ngayon. Puro positive. Kaya okay na okay tayong group ngayon.
Huwag ka lang babanggit ng dilema, please, ha? Dilema.
Yung tinawagan ko si Daisy, sabi ni Daisy agad, yes! Okay agad eh. Kaya yung mga nakalipas, lipas na yun. Ang importante, yung makakagalang pa. Yun ang importante. O yan, nagkabili na sa akin si Profesora. Kaya
wala na lamat-lamat.
Oo, wala na bata pa. 17 na